Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, 8. The Four Holy Truths. What is in this world endurance called the holy truth of suffering is in the world rarefied, also called dangerous desires, or place of bondage, or misguided action, or receptivity, or shamelessness, or rooted in greed, or the ever-flowing river, or constant disintegration, or of the nature of torch fire, or full of stress and anxiety. What is called the holy truth of the accumulation of suffering is in that world called broad ground, or tendency, or distance from wisdom, or obstruction, or fear, or laxity, or taking in, or attachment, or ignorance being master of the house, or continuous bonds. What is called the holy truth of the extinction of suffering is in that world also called fulfillment, or immortality, or selflessness, or absence of inherent nature, or end of discrimination, or abode of peace and happiness, or infinitude, or cutting off transmigration, or cutting off compulsive mental activity, or non-duality. What is called the holy truth of the path to the extinction of suffering is in that world also called great light, or ocean of explanation, or analyzing meaning, or the way of harmony, or freedom from attachment, or breaking the continuum, or the broad highway, or the basis of impartiality, or pure methods, or supreme insight. In that world rarefied are 4 quadrillion such names to explain the 4 holy truths, to cause sentient beings to be harmonized and pacified according to their mentalities. What is in this world endurance called the holy truth of suffering is in the world joy called continuous revolving, or birth, or loss of benefit, or habitual attachment, or the heavy load, or discrimination, or inward danger, or gathering, or wrong abode, or of the nature of misery and affliction. What is called the holy truth of the accumulation of suffering is in that world also called the ground, or conveniences, or wrong timing, or untruth, or bottomless, or possessiveness, or departure from morality, or afflictions, or narrow views, or accumulation of defilement.